Oh, look at Princess. She teaching Blue how to play. When I grab you like this, you gotta fall down, Blue. She's not in heat, Blue. Sorry. Blue's learning how to play without being so rough. Pun intended. There's Mama Max watching over her daughter. She doesn't like it. She telling her daughter, quit messing with that boy. Uh-oh. Max! Princess, Max, come here. Hey, Princess, middle. I'll protect you from your mama. Max, why are you being so rough on her? Pun intended. Princess, middle. Max. 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 Maxine. Oh, Max. Throwing claws on me, Max. Max. Max, Max. Don't worry about them. Let them do what they're doing. Max! Why are you... I think you're doing it backwards, Princess. You really got my back, don't you? I'll protect you. Blue. Yeah, let them go. Max. Max. What's your problemo, girl? What's your problem with the boy and the girl? Yeah, let's see if everybody wants some treats. There we go. Get you a mouthful. Get you a mouthful. Hi, Blue boy. No treats for Blue. Treats for Blue. Ow. That's a little aggressive, bro. All right, let's go outside, y'all.